how are we doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little video on the clothes that I bought from Shein. I posted on Instagram the other day and asked if any of you wanted to see it, and I had so many responses saying that they'd love to see a mini Shein haul, just because they really want to buy the clothes from there but don't know what the quality's like, don't know what the shipping's like. So I'm going to be all honest, 100% truthful, and let you know the real deal with Shein. So this is actually my second order from Shein. I'm not going to bother showing you my first order because, well, I wear the clothes all the time. They're literally in all my Instagram posts, and I also talked about them in my last video as well. Now, I actually haven't tried any of these on. They're all still in the packaging. They're all still in the packaging, so my first thought with any of these items of clothing you're gonna know about. As I said, it's gonna be a short video. I only bought 5 pieces. I'm not even sure what they are. I can't quite remember. Let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy. Remember, if you do enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up just below. And for more content like this, as well as music-based content, then feel free to subscribe. I'm just gonna quickly apologize for the fact that my house isn't big, so I don't have like a corridor that I can walk down and show you. I'm literally doing this in my bedroom. Like, I don't have any space in the rest of the house at all. You can literally see the end of my bed here and a radiator here, so I'm really sorry. This is kind of like the only way that you can actually see the clothes on me. So this is the first item. It's a cute little white top with the butterfly motif in the middle. You might be able to see that it's ribbed as well, and obviously cropped too. Now, when I took this out of the packaging, it did feel really thin, and it does feel quite thin on, so it's definitely like a summer top. I am wearing a black bra underneath this, so it's probably not the best colour bra that I could be wearing. You definitely need to be wearing like a skin coloured or white bra underneath this top. I mean, normally I probably wouldn't even wear a bra with this kind of top, but it's definitely see-through. I think this top is really cute and I definitely wear it. What's annoying me from what I can see in the viewfinder is just like these little bits here that are just kind of like gaping open. Like, what's that all about? Overall though, I'm really happy with this top and I will definitely be wearing it. I like how it's like a proper bright white as well. Definitely makes me look more tanned than I actually am, so I'm kind of living for it. Just ignore the fact that I am wearing Primark joggers here, but I think it's really cute. I ordered some like cargo-y trousers from Shein, and I've just opened the packaging now and it's definitely not the material that I was expecting. I haven't even unfolded them, but this is them here. To me, it kind of feels like the same material that you'd get for like really, really cheap kind of suit trousers. Does that make sense? They don't feel like how cargo pants should feel. It's gonna be pretty interesting to see what these are like. Okay, so now that I've actually got these trousers on, I quite like them. Again, they definitely are very thin, but they fit really, really well on me. I like the chain detail. I think one really annoying thing is that it doesn't have pockets where you would expect it to have pockets up at the top. And I don't know about you, but I'm one of those gals that just loves to have her hands in her pockets all the time. So that's definitely something that I'd have to get used to. But yeah, I think it fits really, really well. So where the trousers end, like by my ankle, there is a cuff there. So it kind of like brings it in at the bottom. All in all, I'd say that these trousers are kind of a typical Shein product. You know, you don't pay very much for these items of clothing, so they are incredibly cheap, and they do come very, very thin. But so far, I really like both of these items. I think what you've got to remember when you order from them is that it is going to be cheap. You can't expect the whole world when you're paying £7 for a pair of trousers. So I think when you take that into consideration, these are great. Okay, next up I've got this really cute crop top with spaghetti straps and this graphic kind of print on the front. This material does actually feel thicker than the white one that I had on earlier, which is fantastic. So I feel like if you didn't want to wear a bra with it, then you wouldn't have to wear a bra with it. Another great thing about this cute top is the fact that these spaghetti straps are actually adjustable as well. I find like in a lot of high street stores where you do end up paying maybe sometimes double or triple the amount, they don't take into consideration these small little details. And considering how cheap Shein is, I think that they've really, really aced that. It's a really fantastic fit. Yeah, and I'm just in love with it in general. Yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I think that this might be my favourite one so far. There's only 2 more items to go. Okay, so next up I have these just simple black cycling shorts. I've got a lot of t-shirts that I would love to be able to wear as t-shirt dresses, but they are just a little bit too small. So that is the reason that I bought these. The top of the cycling shorts are elasticated, which I think is great. I don't think they're see-through. I can't really tell from where I'm stood right now. They're actually so comfortable as well. So comfortable. From what I can see, the stitching is really good on them. I literally don't have a single complaint about these. They are meant to be worn high-waisted, but I don't see why you can't wear them lower down if you wanted to as well. I think they're kind of like the perfect length. Yeah, I really love these. I literally don't have a single complaint about these at all. Oh my god, so I haven't even put this on yet, and the feeling of this is amazing. It's like a thick material. I reckon it's probably better quality than kind of your high street stores, but for a fraction of the price. So this is a pink t-shirt with this kind of like cute graphic on the front. It's actually from the men's section. Two of the t-shirts that I got last time I ordered from Shein were also from the men's section. Their t-shirts are such good quality, and they've got so many cool styles as well, and I just love that kind of fashion at the moment, wearing big baggy t-shirt dresses. It's always been in my style. I think this is in a size large. It does kind of cover my bum and everything, but it is just a little bit too short. I wouldn't want to risk it without having the cycling shorts on underneath. But I think the great thing about t-shirts like this is that you can kind of like tie it up or kind of like tuck it into your bra so it kind of like sits nicely there. The graphic on it is kind of shiny and does feel a little bit sticky, but I don't know whether it's because it's been sat in the packaging for about 3 weeks or whether that's just kind of like how they do it. So it is a little bit sticky. I had to kind of like pull it apart when I was opening the t-shirt, but I still think it's really cute. Before I end this video, I just quickly want to say that I know a lot of people have had issues with Shein in terms of like delivery times, but both times that I've ordered, I've got my delivery within a week. And that's during the coronavirus pandemic as well. So I've just had quick, simple deliveries from them. I think you do sometimes have to be a bit careful about the quality of some products, but as I've said, I know I only bought 5 items, but all 5 items that I bought I'm definitely gonna wear and I'm absolutely in love with. Some are a bit on the thinner side, but that's nothing that you can't solve with like wearing the right bra underneath. I think the great thing about Shein as well is that it's already cheap, but you can also find discounts online all the time for this website. So thank you for watching this video. It was very short and very sweet compared to my other ones. If you would like me to do something like this again, then I definitely will. If you have enjoyed the video, please remember to leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below. What was your favourite item of clothing that I've shown you today? Or let me know some of your Shein stories, whether they were complete nightmares or whether you had an absolutely fantastic experience with them. I'd love to know. If you'd like to see more of this content, as well as music related content, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye guys!